In this video, let's take a look at the customers who made the purchases but never returned products. For example, let's take Swiggy as an example. So let's say there are like few customers who ordered either the milk or grocery items, but they never returned back the goods to the back to the Swiggy. So now, as an employee, your job is to find all of these customers who never made any complaints since the time they joined in this app. Let's take a look at the sample data over here. So I do have the customers table with a list of customers, and for each and every customer, there is a unique ID over here. Okay, on how we can identify the customers, and the second table, it has all the list of um, all the list of customers who returned the orders. Now what we have to do, simply we have to find all the list of customers who has never returned anything. For example, let's say the first person here, he has returned already the items, so we should not be returning this as an output. The second person, he though he purchased a few times, but he never returned anything because we can't see his customer ID over here. Third person, he has returned once, right? So now let's go ahead and let's see. Firstly, let's convert this as a table over here. Find the list of customers who never returned the orders, right? Okay, now I'm going to have this data. I'm going to have two tables over here. One is a tables customers, so with customers as, so until this time we were using the data. Now let's use the customers. Either one is fine. Select, okay, its name, one as customer ID, okay, union all. Select um, second person to the third person. So we already have seen how to, the syntaxes for this one earlier. So I'm like, to save the time, I'm like making this little fast. And now we have this first table is a customer, second one is the orders returned. Orders returned as, so select one as customer ID, union all. Select three, union all. Select one. Okay, now we got both the tables over here. Now what we have to do, if you just take a look, let's check whether it is working fine or not. So select start for customers. So click on run. This is fine, and select start from orders written. If in case if you have not seen my tutorials on the SQL, I strongly recommend you to go ahead and watch. I have made more than 90 plus videos on the SQL, which covers each and every function, and it really helps you a lot in terms of like what I'm doing over here and how you can perform it in the interviews. Now again, there are like two ways on how we can do this one. So let's do using the joins first. So for that, what I'm going to do over here, so select start from the customers. This is the so here we have the primary key and we have the foreign key over here. A primary key is nothing but a unique identifier in the first table, and the foreign key is nothing but it's a reference column. It's a reference to it is also a unique one, but it is a reference to the, it references the column in the primary in the first table. Sorry, primary key over here and the foreign key over here. For example, if I have to match this one and this one to look for the join, so I will say like this is the primary key and this is the foreign key. So customers A, so I'm going to use the left join. Okay, select start from orders returned. Okay, I'm going to mark this as a B on A dot. What we wanted to match, customer ID is equal to B dot. What we are going to match over here, customer ID over here. So once we run this one, you can see all the data over here. But I'm interested with the records where this is like null. So I'm going to add one more condition where B dot customer ID is null. If you run this one, you can get the output over here, right? So he's the person, he's one of the persons, where they haven't returned any goods, any orders yet. Or else, on there is another easiest way on how we can do this one. Take a new tab over here. So I'm going to do select start from customers where this customer ID not in select distinct nothing but it only gets the unique values over here. Distinct customer ID from orders written. So this will also give you the data what we are looking for. Thank you for watching.